cumin egg carrot casserole or cumin egg carrot ball. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot recipes and one of the most unique of the egg ball recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg bowl recipes. We're going to make cumin egg carrot casserole. We have taken 2 boiled eggs from which we have taken off the shell, and we have taken around 100 to 150 grams of carrot cut into pieces, 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Caramel. Saute. Garlic sauce. Put in the garlic piece. Salt the garlic piece. Now put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste. salt, salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. The tomato pieces. Salt. Put in salt to taste. Mix. 250 to 300 ml of water. Let this mixture cook for 25 minutes and cook. Required time. Open. Put in some curry leaves. Mix and cook for a minute. The cumin, egg, carrot casserole is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. Final cumin, egg, carrot casserole or cumin, egg, carrot bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the carrots recipe and one of the most unique and different of the boiled egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the egg